If you chose a double wash basin countertop solution, you need to have two special T connectors to connect your mixer tap hoses to the water supply. The T connectors for this solution are not provided with the taps. You will also need a T or Y connector for the water traps of your wash basins to connect them to the main drainage system. The T or Y connector is not provided with your wash basins for this solution. You may also need to adjust your cabinet to suit your pipework. Install the wash basin and the tap. Measure each side of the cabinet and divide it by 2 to find the centre point for each wash basin. Turn the countertop upside down for cutting the wash basin opening with the special template provided with the assembly instructions. This ensures a smoother cut and it's easier to see the mark for cutting. While installing the tap, you can use the cardboard from the packaging as protection before placing the wash basin on the cabinet. Then follow the assembly instructions for how to apply silicone to the countertop and the countertop wash basin and connect the water traps to the drainage system as shown in the video Install a Single Wash Basin combination.